Hi everyone and welcome to another video. And today I have with me a docking station again, but this time the big boys. I have the ThinkPad Thunderbolt 4 working station dock. We're going to open up the box and see what we actually have inside and talk a little bit about it. So let's start by opening up the box. In the box we are getting, let's see, a power cord. Kind of unusual docking station type of cable. We'll check it out really soon. Wow, huge charger. It's one of the really big boys. It's 300 watts. It's really powerful. So don't worry, your device gets a lot of electricity. And the docking station in this really wrap, black wrap. In here we're getting this huge docking station. It has its length. And just like the tinier version, the Type C, the Universal Type C, it's black on top and red on the bottom. So let's go over the ports, shall we? Starting from the USB Type C, it's just a Type C, it's not a Thunderbolt. So it means you can transfer data. For example, you would like to connect, disk on key or stuff like that, then you can do it, but you cannot connect a display or something like that. Afterwards, we're getting a normal USB, an aux. Here you can tie it to some place if you'd like, and on the back, we are getting almost everything that we might need. So, starting from the right again, we are getting just USB, another Ethernet port, 2 additional USBs, and one of them is being always on of 5 volts. So for example, even if your laptop is not connected to it, you're still getting power. 3 videos outputs. So if you would like to connect 3 displays and an additional one to your device, you can actually do it. So you'll get a lot of displays. In addition to that, we're getting another to USB Type-C, but this time that's a Thunderbolt, so you can actually connect anything you like, and it's Thunderbolt 4, so it's 40 gigabits. It's fairly fast. This area is exactly where the weird cable connects. So if I'm flipping it up, you can see it's fitting right in, and that's what actually converts the voltage between the dock station to the laptop and from the power brick, and that's what it's connecting to your laptop. And lastly, just a normal connector for the wall, so you can connect the 300 watts of beast into this docking station. On the bottom, by the way, you are getting adapter, so you connect it like beneath your desk, on top of your wall, or anything like that. So it's actually useful. And just like the Type-C Universal USB-C, we are also getting another power button. So you can actually close your device and power it up with this button, just like the one you have on your laptop. And that's what makes the whole docking station experience even better, because you can actually turn off and on your device, or put it to sleep if you would like. So just before wrapping up the video, I do want to say something a little bit about this cable. So this cable is fairly big, and it fits like any workstation, starting from the P15 Gen 1 up to the P16V Gen 2, right? If I can remember correctly. And that means that you can actually connect it to a P16V, P16S, anything like that. And actually, some devices, and it's not listed on the sheet, but actually you can disconnect them. See? So you can actually connect just the Type-C and leave it on like that. So it supports not just the big boys, the 16 and 15 inch devices, it supports both the 14 and 13 inch and even the 12, maybe, potentially. If you've asked yourself what its length, then here you have it. It's almost at 9 inches, but it is 22 centimeters. So it's not the tiniest, but it's a fair size. So if you have the place and you have the money for that kind of docking station, which gets to around $500, at least here, then you should buy it, because it's really, really useful. You're charging your device. You're getting many ports. Some devices still missing them. For example, you're getting an Ethernet port over here, which is not on P16 Gen 2, which they returned back to the 3rd gen. But you're still getting the charger, and you're still getting everything. So it's really useful in my mind. And if you are working in an office or something like that, then it's still useful for you. So yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. And if you have any question about the docking station, please do let me know. I have a lot of experience with them, and they are fairly reliable. I did have some of them have to be replaced, but mostly with the 3rd gen. This is the 4th gen, and it's much more reliable and better than the previous one, and I can totally recommend it. So I'll see you in another video, and maybe I'll be able to get the 5th, the Thunderbolt 5 version. So thank you, and I'll see you in another video.